ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायैस्तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। We observed the appearance day, the Vyas Puja festival of our revered spiritual master Om Vishnupada Paramahansa Parivrajaka Acharya Ashtotarasta Sri Srimad Gaur Govinda Goswami Maharaj. Today I would like to speak few words about the worship of Sri Guru. How one should worship Sri Guru. Who is the Sri Guru? Why the Sri word, the prefix is added? Sri means the endowed with prema bhakti. That Guru who has prem bhakti in the heart. He has attained prem, pure love of Godhead, pure love of Krishna in the heart. That means he is the associate of Krishna. Other than that, everybody cannot become Sri Guru. And how to worship that Sri Guru? And we know that the topmost, the worship word, it comes from the word Radha. Aradhana, worship means Aradhana. And that Aradhana, the word, verbal root is there, Radha. Radha means pure love. And Srimati Radharani is the embodiment of that pure love. That's why her name is Srimati Radha. And in Gaudiya Vaishnavas, there is a famous verse is there. Aradhya Bhagavan Brajesa Tanaya Stadhama Vrindavanam. Krishna is the supremely worshipable Aradhana. And Aradhya, the goddess of worship. Who is that? Srimati Radharani. And Srimati Radharani is the Guru of Sri Krishna. Krishna himself admits this and declares this. Radhikar Prema Guru Ami Shishyanata. And the love of Radharani makes Krishna dance. And Srimati Radharani is the Guru of Krishna. The activities of Radharani, the base type of worship, is rendered by Srimati Radharani. And only Srimati Radharani, Srimati Radhika's associates, they understand what is Aradhana, what is worship. And their vision is pure love is there in their vision. Premanjana churita bhakti bilochanena santa sadeva hridayesu bilokayanti. If you can see, if you have that vision to see your worshipable Lord, to whom you are worshipping, that vision should be with ointment of pure love. Only present in the associate of Srimati Radharani, only present with the expansion of Srimati Radharani, the gopis, the manjaris, and our Sri Guru. So Sri Guru is like that. So Gurudev, Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj was Sri Guru, is not like a guru of so many gurus available. Gurava Bahava Santi Sisya Vittapaharaka Sadguru Dullabang Devi Sisya Santapaharaka. This is a general verse in Agam Puran. That there are so many gurus present, those to steal the money, property and prestige of disciple. But Sadguru, the real guru, genuine guru, who can steal away the suffering of the jiva. That is a general quotation. But Sri Guru is not only Sadguru. Sri Guru was attained that stage of associates. The associate of Radha and Krishna. Only he can be called Sri Guru. And that Sri Guru is in the platform of Krishna. Because in order to worship, you should come to that platform. There is famous quotation in Vaishnava Acharyas. Na devam adevam archayet. Archana means also aradhana, puja, worship. Not unless one comes to the platform of God, one cannot worship God. Unless you come to the platform of your Guru, you cannot worship Guru. To his Guru, Srila Prabhupada, Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. And he is the associate of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Radha and Krishna, who preached the mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the mission of our Gaudiya Vaishnavism all over the world. Such a powerful Acharya. And his Gurudev, when he is worshipping Prabhupada, his spiritual master, he is in this platform. He has attained that samadhi. Means that platform, na devam adevam archet. Unless you come to that platform of your Guru, you cannot worship Guru. So he is Sri Guru. We know that Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur sing Ramya Kachit Upasanadi Brajabadhu Varginaja Kalpita. The worship rendered by the Brajabadhus, the gopis, is the topmost, best type of worship. Why? Because they are the expansions of Srimati Radharani. That's why they know what is the meaning of worship, what is the meaning of Aradhana, because they are from Radharani. The quality of Radharani is worship, Aradhana. And that quality transmits from Radharani to Radharani's associates, the gopis and manjaris. They know how to worship. And Sri Guru, when he descends to this world, he establishes the ideal of worship. Because generally we are worshipping Guru according to our level, our qualification. But that is the real worship of Sri Guru. One disciple should transcend himself. He should elevate himself to the platform of the Gurudev. When a disciple attains Prem Bhakti, only then he can worship his Gurudev, Sri Guru, otherwise not. But Sri Guru himself, when descended to this world, he is doing the pastimes in this world to teach us as a practitioner, as a sadhaka. He is playing the role of a sadhaka in this world. As sadhaka, what he is doing? Sri Radhika Madhava Para Madhuri Jalila Gunarupa Namnam Pratikshana Swadana Lalupasya Vande Guru Sri Charanara Vindam. In Sri Gurvashtakam, the famous Gurvashtakam, Sri Radhika Madhavayora Para Madhuri Jalila Gunarupa Nasu. He is relishing the qualities, the pastimes and the form, qualities, names of Sri Radha and Krishna in this world. He is showing us fully absorbed in the chanting the names, qualities, pastimes, fully drowning himself in the ocean of the love of Radha and Krishna. And releasing the sweetness, Madhur Jalila Gunarupanam. Pratikshana, every moment is releasing. Constantly, when is possible? When one Premi Bhakta only can do this. Otherwise, constantly, every moment cannot release. This is playing the role of sadhaka, but actually Siddha is perfected. He is the associate of Sri Radha and Krishna. Bande Guru Sri Charanar Binda. We are worshipping, offering prayer to Sri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakati Sadma. That's why the lotus feet of Sri Guru is the award of that Prem Bhakti. Sri Guru Kevala Bhakati Sadma. If one wants to attain that pure devotion, Uttama Bhakti, best type of devotion, when will attain? Where it is available? Only by worshipping the lotus feet of Sri Guru. The only shelter of that Prema Bhakti. And now we'll discuss about how is the standard of worship. When Gurudev, Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj, Gurudev worshipping his Gurudev, how is the worship? Because his associate is not like our worship. How we are worshipping. We are worshipping with flowers, sandalwood and so many paraphernalia. But our mood is mixed with material desires, contaminated with the material impressions. Our worship is not complete. But they are the real worshippers. They teach us how to worship. And in perfection stage, we will be able to understand. But our Acharyas, Gurudev has explained himself. What is the best type of worship? As I told, Gopis worship. How Gopis worship? Not necessarily they have the paraphernalia that the ghanti should be there, arati plate should be there, flowers and all the necessary paraphernalia should be there. Then the worship arati will be performed, worship will be performed. Not like that. They worship how they worship to Krishna. Because Gopis and the associates Gopis, they are non-different from Krishna. This is Radharani's expansions. How Gopis worshipping Krishna? By that, the loving eyes, by loving glances. In Gopi Gita, many verses explained about that. How Gopis thinking about Krishna. How they glance upon Krishna. How they see Krishna. How they offer arati. The one verse is there. Atati yad bhavan annikananam truti jugayate tvam apaschyatam. Gopis singing in separation of Krishna. Oh Krishna, when you travel, you go to forest. That time, in your separation, even a fraction of the moment, very short time, even fraction, one fraction of the second, even that short period of time, we feel as if 1 millennium has passed, 1 yuga has passed. Many yugas passed in few moments. So in separation, Gopis, they feel so much separation from Krishna. How and why they feel separation? Because separation who feels? Who has love for Krishna. We are not feeling separation. We miss our material possession, our property, our family members, and we don't feel separation from Krishna because now we have no connection with Krishna, no love for Krishna, no attachment to Krishna, no relationship is there. But we think ourselves that we are in the platform Gopis. When one comes to that platform, without Krishna cannot survive. Like the one fish out of the water, dying condition without Krishna. So Gopis condition like the Truti Jugayate Tvam Apasyatam. Without seeing Krishna, they feel so much separation. Even few moments of time, they feel like so many yugas, millenniums have passed. And when Krishna finally returns in the evening, enters to Gokul, and that time Gopis from their house, from the windows, from the different rooftop, they glance, they see Krishna that time. Kutila Kuntala Sri Mukham Chate, Sri Mukham, Krishna's beautiful face they see. And it is full of dust and curly hairs partially cover Krishna's face, lotus-like face. That time Gopis, they are offering arati by their glances. They offer arati, that is evening arati. They are offering arati to Krishna. This is how Arati should be offered. By their glance, loving glance. They are offering Arati. And that time, some disturbances happens. And they become so much agitated, so much angry. They curse Lord Brahma. Why? Because while they are offering Arati, they glancing upon Krishna, that time the eyelids, they are disturbing. Because eyelids business is to interrupt in the middle. Interruption happening, so they become so much angry. They curse Brahma, Jada Udikshatam Pasma Kridustam. Oh Lord Brahma, you don't know how to create. Koti Netra Nahi Dila Sabe Dila Dui. You did not give us millions of eyes to see Krishna. How we can see the beauty of Krishna only by 2 eyes? Krishna's beauty is unlimited. And how we can see such beautiful object only by the help of 2 eyes? Even you gave only 2 eyes, not millions of eyes. In that 2 eyes, you created eyelids, which is disturbing. This is wrong. And you are a dead person, and you are dumb person, less intelligent person. You don't know how to create. Gopi is a cursing Brahma. This is how Gopi is worshipping Krishna in that platform. And how Radharani's own and near and dear associates like Rupa Goswami Pad, how offering prayers, how worshipping Radharani, how the relationship. Rupa Goswami Pad as a sadhaka practitioner in this world, and he's praying to Radharani, remembering his Siddha Swarup, his perfected body. How as Rupa Manjari she is serving Srimati Radhika. He's praying. Linam nikunja kuhare bhavating mukunde chitraiva suchitabati ruchirakshinaam bhugnang bhrubam narachayati mrisam mrisangtvam agre brajendra tanayasya kadanuneshe. He's praying to Srimati Radharani. When that day will come, oh Srimati Radhika, you will chastise me. Rupa Goswami as Rupa Manjari, remembering the sweetness of Radha and Krishna's union, and how Krishna entered in the grove of Radharani, Kunja of Radharani. And Radharani did not want. Radharani was in sulky mood. And that time Radharani, Krishna is glancing there, present there, in front of Krishna. Radharani chastising Rupa Manjari. Why you gave information that I am here? Chastising Rupa Manjari. And Rupa Manjari telling, oh Srimati Radhika, I have not informed Krishna, Chitra Sakhi has informed. This is how, when the day will come, I can have darshan of Radha and Krishna in the Kunja. This is how I can worship you. This is standard of worship. Offering heartily prayers and offering worship. This is worship. Rupa Goswami Pad worshipping Srimati Radhika. And both Radharani's Sakhis, Sri Rati Manjari and Sri Rupa Manjari, both are Radharani's Sakhis, associates. But Rupa Manjari is the guru of Sri Rati Manjari. She is the chief of all the Manjaris. Under guidance of Rupa Manjari, all the service, all the worship of Srimati Radharani happens. All Sakhis, they offering service, Manjaris, under guidance of Sri Rupa Manjari. And when Raghunath Das Goswami, who is the Rati Manjari, and as Raghunath Das Goswami, as a sadhaka in this world, offering prayer, worshipping Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Rupa Manjari. How? In Bilap Kusmanjali is offering the prayer, bandhana, offering worship. How? Tum Rupa Manjari Sakhi Pratita Puresmin Punsa Parasya Badanam Nahi Pasyasiti Bimbadhare Kshatam Anagata Bhatrukaya Jatte Vedhai King Tat Sukha Pungavena. Is very, very high standard. We are not qualified to hear this. And he offering that O Rupa Manjari, his Guru, he is offering prayer, offering worship to his Guru. And that is very, very high standard. Not ordinary person can offer this type of worship. That O Rupa Manjari, you are famous chaste lady in this Braja. And how come your sweet lips, which is like bimba fruit, how it is the kyatam, there is some injury. Is it happened due to that parrot? Like this. Such a intimate pastimes, remembering and offering. So this type of worship only possible. Sri Guru Puja is not ordinary. The Gurudev is associate of Krishna. And this Vyas Puja, it not only that we are worshipping our Gurudev and Guru Parampara. Our Gurudev, who is Krishna's eternal associate of Sri Sri Radha Gopinath, Sri Sri Radha Govindaji. He is offering prayer to Sri Sri Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna Pranamora Jugala Kishore Jibane Marane Mora Gati Nahi Ar. In my life and death, always, you are the only way. So much intimate love for Radha and Krishna. They offering their puja. When they offering puja to their Guru, like Gurudev offering prayer to Prabhupada, his spiritual master, how should be the standard? We are not qualified to understand this. He must be worshipping because he is the maid servant of Radharani. And also his Gurudev Prabhupada also, who built temples all over the world for Radha and Krishna. Such a exalted, such a near and dear associate of Radha and Krishna. And how must be the prayers? How must be the standard of worship of Gurudev to his Gurudev? On this day he is offering puja to his Gurudev. Always doing eternally. But specially he is showing us example, teaching us that day. Those who are sincere, advanced devotees, advanced disciples, they should remember this and then offer their puja, offer their worship, so that Gurudev, in his perfected, from his Siddha Swarup, in his Manjari form, Radharani Sakhi form, he will glance upon us, glance upon that devotee, and then Prem Bhakti will arise in the heart, can take part in that standard of worship, and one day he will enter into this pastimes. Is not ordinary, is very, very high standard. So that's why our Gurudev Srila Gaur Govind Swami Maharaj, when he is in Vyasa, he was not giving his Vyasasan seat for everyone. Because he knows his position. He knows the position of his Guru. It is not that he was arrogant, not respecting others. But he knows the standard. That his Gurudev is in which standard. That's why he was so much angry if somebody was criticizing his Gurudev. Somebody was minimizing his Gurudev. Why? Because he knows which position his Gurudev is. He is realized. He knows his perfected form. And he is always connected, always offering aradhana, offering prayers, offering puja to his Gurudev. In English, worship word is there which is not complete. He is offering, eternally offering worship to his spiritual master. This is what is the worship of Sri Guru. And one disciple, by practicing sadhana bhakti, when following the instructions of Guru, as I told previous glorification, that Guru Nishtha, by completely, wholeheartedly, completely undeviated faith, when you will develop for Guru and serve wholeheartedly, then one day, certainly by the mercy of Sri Guru, Prem Bhakti will arise in the heart. And then he will be eligible to do worship of Sri Guru. Otherwise, his worship may remain incomplete. He is not complete yet. But one day, he can attain. That's why it will begin from Guru Seva and Guru Nishtha. Then one day we'll understand, we'll enter into the real worship of Sri Guru. Then our life will be successful. Jai Sri Gurudev Gaur Gobind Swami Maharaj ki jai. Jai Sri Gurudev Sri Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Jai Sri Rupanuga Gaudiya Guru Varga ki jai. Jai Rupanuga Acharya Sri Gurudev ki jai. Jai Samagata Bhakta Vrinda ki jai. Nitai Gaura Premanande Hari Hari Bo. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama Rama Rama